Hey guys, today I'm going to replace the oil feed line going to my turbo, and I believe it comes from the oil filter housing or in that area. When I was in the other day replacing the boot on my boost line off the turbo, I noticed that it was a very rusty line, which you'll see. I'll just get all this air filter crap out of the way and we'll have a look at it. Alright guys, I got my air filter assembly out of the way. Here's the line I was talking about. It doesn't really look that great. It's just, if I replace it now, it's something less to worry about. So I'm just going to do that. I got it from Rock Auto. It was like 40 bucks. I'll surely replace it for 40 bucks rather than having some catastrophic oil failure and being into thousands. So it does feed oil to the turbo. That's the inlet to the turbo there, and it comes off of, just like I thought, the oil filter housing. So for quick reference, here's the oil feed line. It is by Gates, a TL116. Google that number. You can buy it from a lot of places, eBay, Amazon, probably your local jobber, whatever. Here she is. Let's get her installed. First thing I'm going to do, I don't really care if it breaks, is just spray on some lube juice here. That'll smoke good later once the turbo heats up. Get the other side. It's done. Now I grabbed two wrenches for this. I grabbed a 21 and a 13/16. The 13/16 fits just a little bit better. So we'll see if we can crack this loose. Oh, that wasn't very tight at all. Oh, and it's actually spinning. I'm impressed. It's gonna be a quick little easy job. So here's the other end of the turbo feed line. It goes to the top housing of the oil filter. It looks in pretty good shape. It as well is a 13/16. We'll see if we can crack it. Oh, yeah, that was easy. Okay, I'll just finish unthreading this, and that's it. The old oil line is out. Let's have a look at it here. I wouldn't call this a necessary repair. Definitely a preventative maintenance repair. Let's grab the new one and jam it in. Something to note and just have a quick inspection is on top of the fitting there's an O-ring, and mine's in good shape. I'm not going to bother swapping it out. I had no leaks, and it's the same on the other end. We have a look right there without making it too bright. Just that black circle on the inside. Just have a look at it. If yours wasn't leaking, it's fine to leave it in there. If you see there's any tears, cracks, swap it out. So as far as putting it back in, I'm going to just hand tighten it against the oil filter housing first. Our line is in, hand tight. There, that's tight. So as far as tightening goes, I'd recommend getting a good turn on it. Like anything, you don't have to kill it. I'd say that's pretty good right there. That's all there is to that. Quick and easy way to replace your oil feed line going to the turbo before you have any issues. Pretty sure this is a repair anybody could do. Save you a few $100 from going in the garage. Hope this helps you out fixing your own vehicle. We'll see you in the next one.